Hello students, today I am going to solve all the problems of exercise 12.1 NCERT. That is a chapter exponent and powers. Number 1, evaluate 3 to the power minus 2. So we know x to the power minus m is 1 by x to the power m. So here this is 1 by 3 square and it is 9. The same way this is actually even number, even power is even, so it will be minus, will be plus, so it will be 1 by 16. And this is 2 to the power 7, 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. So minus 5 is 1 by half power and it will be 32. Next one, number 2, that is minus 4 to the power 5 divide minus 4 to the power 8. So bases are same, power whenever it is divide, you know that is power will be deducted. So minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8, it has come 3, and this is actually the power of positive power. It is asked for the positive exponent, so this is minus 4 to the power 3. Number 2 is 1 by 2 cube whole square, and this is coming directly 1 by 2 to the power 6. Here minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 4. Minus 3, it is actually coming 3 to the power 4, and it has come 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power will be out, and this will be answer will be 5 to the power 4. 4 is 3 to the power minus 7 divide 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. So here this is divide, so it will be deducted, that is minus into minus, it will be plus. That is once again it has come plus 3, and this is also into, that is their power will be plus, then it will be 3 minus 5 equal to minus 3 to the power minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 square. Next, number 3, find the value of this, that is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 1 into 2 to the square. Anything number that is x to the power 0 equal to 1, we know. So 3 to the power 0, it will be 1 plus 1 by 4 into 4. 4 it is cutted off, and 5 is remain the answer. 1 by 3 to the power square minus 2, 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 and 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So here it is just that is the reciprocal of this. It is actually minus, so it will be 4. 4, that is square, 2 square is 4, that is it is actually 1 by 4, this minus, so it is just reciprocal of this, it will be 9, it will be 16, and this will be total will be 29. Here see 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 to the power 0. So something to the power 0 is 1, so directly you can also just put the value here, this is 1. Next one is number 5, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 to the power 2. That is actually power into power, this will be power will be multiplied over here, this will be 2 minus 2 equal to minus 4. So minus 4, it will be just reciprocal of that, that is 3 by 4, as because this is even number, power is even number, minus will be, it will be plus. So 3 to the power minus 3 to the power 4 equal to 81, and 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. Then is number 1. 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power 4. So 8 is actually 2 to the power minus 3 into, and this is divide though, so divide, whenever divide it will be minus, no, power will be minus, minus into minus 4 equal to plus 4 into 5 cube. It has come 2, and this is 125, and this is 250. Minus 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. So it has come 1 by 10, and this 1 by 60, it is actually 1 by 60. Number 5, find m for which 5 to the power m divide 5 to the power minus 3 equal to 5 to the 5. So here this is divide, no, this power will be power will be subtracted. So m minus of minus 3, this is divide, no? So equal to 3, and this actually implies 5 to the power m minus into minus plus, this is 5 to the power m plus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. As because this is bases are same, so this power will be same. So here m plus 3 equal to 5. So m will be 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Next, number 6, 1. 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1. So it has come, see, 3 to the power minus 1, 1 by 3 to the power minus 1, it will be 3, and it will be 4 to the power minus 1. It is actually minus 1 to the power minus 1. The 1 by, this is actually, just take this, 1 by minus 1 to the, this is 1 and this is minus 1. Next is 5 to the power, 5 by 8 to the power minus 7, 8 by 5 to the minus 4. It is actually minus, then we are just taking this as a 1 by this one, that is, it is reciprocal of this. So it is 8 by 5, this is only plus sign, plus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power minus 4. We are now just converting this base equal. So now this will be, the power will be added, that is 7 minus 4, this is 4, that is 8 by 5 cube means 8 cube by 5 cube, and this is coming 512 by 125. Next one is 7, 1. 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 cube into 10 into t to the minus 8. 25 equal to 5 square. It is divide, that is minus 3 is here divide 5 to the power minus 3. So divide, it will be subtracted, the power will be subtracted, and t it is here also, it will divide, power will be subtracted, and 10 we are just putting over here, 5 into 2. So here this has come plus 5, t to the power, it is actually plus 8 minus 4, that is plus 4, and 5 into 2 I just put over here, and this 5 into 1 5, that is 1 will be minus, then it will be 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 divided by 2, that is 625, t to the power 4 by 2 is your answer. And last one is 7, number 2. This is 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 by 7 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. See, it has come 3 to the power minus 5 into 10, you can convert this into minus 5 equal to, that is 2 into minus 5 into 10, 5 into minus 5. So I just put over here like this, and this is 5 cube means 125. This is 5 to the minus 7, 6 to the power minus 6 equal to 2 to the power minus 5, and 3 to the power minus 5. Now just get this, that is the power of here of 3, that is 3 to the power minus 5 into minus of, this is divide, no, this power will be minus 2 to the power minus 5, and power is minus over here, and 5 to the power here minus 5, here plus 3, because this is into, and whenever it is divide, this is minus 7, minus of minus 7. So it has come plus 5, minus 5 plus 5, this is 2 to the power plus 5 minus 5, and 5 to the power minus 2 here, and plus 7 here. So it has come 3 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, and 5 to the power 5. So you know this is 1 into 1 into 5 to the power 5, and this is actually 5 to the power 5, your answer. Thank you very much.